Metropolitan Council Environmental Services operates the 7-county regional wastewater collection and treatment system. This system serves over 110 local communities. Each day, the system collects approximately 250 million gallons of wastewater from community systems. The wastewater is then conveyed through a 600-mile-long network of large pipes called interceptors to one of our 9 regional wastewater treatment plants. Over time, these pipes may develop small leaks or sustain damage. Every year, MCES evaluates a portion of its piping network and determines which pipes need to be repaired or replaced. If a pipe cannot be repaired, or if the system needs to be expanded, new pipes may need to be installed. This video will illustrate 3 common methods for repairing or installing pipe. If a pipe is damaged but is still structurally sound, it can often be repaired using a process called cured-in-place pipe, or CIPP. The CIPP method creates a new pipe inside the host pipe. CIPP is our preferred method for pipe repair due to its speed, effectiveness, and low cost. During this process, wastewater flow is diverted from the host pipe using temporary above-ground pipe. Next, a resin-soaked fabric tube is pushed through the empty pipe. Then, hot water from a mobile boiler is pumped into the tube to harden or cure the resin. After the liner is cured, a robotic machine cuts holes to reopen the service connections. Once complete, the new liner is strong, waterproof, and should last for 50 years. During the CIPP process, there will be noise typical of heavy equipment. Also, while the resin is being cured, there is often a chemical odor. To keep this odor out of basements, we recommend pouring a quart of water into your basement floor drain and then temporarily covering it with something bulky and flexible, such as a bag of softener salt or a folded rug. Please note that water and sewer service must be interrupted until the lining is complete. Fortunately, the CIPP method is quick, and these inconveniences last for only 1 day. When a new pipe needs to be constructed, there are 2 installation methods that we commonly use: open trench excavation and trenchless construction. The method used depends on the type of pipe being installed as well as the conditions on site. There are 2 types of pipes in the MCES system: gravity pipes and force mains. In a gravity pipe, the wastewater flows downhill without mechanical assistance. In a pressurized pipe or force main, the wastewater is pumped or forced through the pipe. Open-cut construction can be used for installing both gravity pipes and force mains. With open-cut construction, excavation equipment is used to dig a trench. The pipe is then installed in the trench is then filled in, and the area is restored. The main advantage of this method is that obstructions in nearby underground pipes can be seen and avoided. The disadvantages are that it is disruptive and time-consuming. Typical construction impacts with this method are equipment noise, dust, and traffic interruptions. There may also be some odor if the roadway is repaved with asphalt. For areas where access may be difficult, trenchless construction is used instead of the open-cut method. Common situations requiring trenchless methods are crossings under obstacles such as highways, railroads, water bodies, and areas with difficult site conditions. One trenchless method, horizontal directional drilling, or HDD, is commonly used to install long, straight force main pipes. With this method of construction, a horizontal hole is drilled through the ground between 2 pits. Afterward, the hole is enlarged and the permanent pipe is pulled back through it. The advantages of HDD are reduced surface disturbance and quicker installation time. The main disadvantage is the potential for encountering an underground obstacle such as a large boulder. Typical construction impacts are equipment noise, dust, and short-term traffic impacts due to long pieces of pipe along roadways prior to installation. At MCES, we understand that construction can be an inconvenience. Therefore, we carefully consider community impacts when designing projects and choosing construction methods. If you have any questions about an MCES construction project, go to our website at metrocouncil.org, select Wastewater and Water, click on Projects, and then Sewer Planning and Construction Projects. Each project website will have detailed information about the project and how to contact us. You can also learn more about the Metropolitan Council on our YouTube channel.